everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be heading out to do a little snowmobile ride just down a trail a little ways down to a lake and do some ice fishing. So I really hope you enjoy this episode. Ice. The snow is pretty much gone. This bridge is usually covered over in a lot of snow. So you see, that little bank is nothing on the ice, and Gilbert comes skidding down there, couldn't stop, couldn't steer, so he had to go through here. Look what he just got. Oh, that's nice. Yes, sir. Lovely. He got two now since we moved. My first one of the day. One thing with fishing here, you never know if you're going to beat. Trout, wanted-ish. Oh, Ranger sticking onto the ice, my puppy. That one, and then we'll position it where we want to put in another one, eh? Hey, just go gently, dog. Try out my new shovel. Shovel the snow away from the holes and put it around the back side of the tent on the flat so that it'll keep the wind out some. So this is our setup for today. Beautiful day. It's not cold, but the wind makes you chilly. It's absolutely gorgeous. We were outside fishing for a while. We got 3 trout. Gilbert got 2 really nice ones. I got a half decent one. So now I'm going to start doing our moose fry for our lunch. I was going to do it outside on an open fire today, but it's still too windy and too chilly, so I decided that we'll do it inside. Starting to look good, starting to smell good. I got all the mushrooms put in with the moose and onion. Here we are plating up our lunch. So we got the potatoes and the moose and onions. And there's my meal. It's gonna be delicious. So have you had any yet?
Oh yes.
And?
Some good.
Good. We'll try for a trout now while Gilbert's cleaning up. He's getting the tent all packed up, getting the sleighs ready, getting everything ready to head back. Since I cooked lunch, he's getting everything all picked up there and ready to go. We had a very successful day today. Got a meal of trout, had a delicious meal in the tent. It was a beautiful sunny day, even if it was a bit chilly. It was still gorgeous. Great day to be out. Best kind of day, we call it. So thanks for tagging along with us.